Alright, let's make this hot of linguine pasta. It's 4 carbs. This is what the direction says. Rinse and drain with plenty of water. And in the pot, I have some oil and I have some tomato. I also have some basil pesto and some garlic. I'm gonna add to the oil. Ooh, my oil is getting so hot. It's cooking after work. Why am I using a plastic spoon? It's so hot. And I'm gonna add the tomatoes that I like showed. I'm just gonna add some seasoning to the tomatoes. Just the basic seasoning. Dry seasoning. What the tomato is looking like. Let it cook down a little bit. It's nicely seasoned. And let it cool. I mean, just let it cook down a little bit more. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mash it, make like a little bit of sauce, and then add the linguine pasta to it. I don't eat any meat, so this will not have any meat. So I'm going to drain the linguine. Let's rinse it off. It looks like good pasta. I'm just gonna keep this plain. I have to add some seasoning, okay? I did have to. I added some water in this and I'm gonna add this. Maybe I should have picked up this thing, but I didn't. Gotta season it up. It looks good. It looks really, really good. Let's hope it tastes as good. Looks like I have some chickpea for some added protein, and then dinner and lunch is ready. I'm gonna leave some for my salad and to snack on. These are so good. This is what it's looking like. Okay, let's taste it. After work, quick bite to eat. It is good. I'm a veggie lover, so when it's nicely seasoned, I don't know if I would be able to eat it plain, but I'm gonna go finish it. Thank you for watching. Bye.